Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying devices. Set your headset or speakers as Windows default and choose the same in Fivem audio settings so routing is consistent. Once done, close Discord, OBS, and browser tabs that grab the audio device because they steal exclusive access. This prevents choppy sound. Open Fivem's console to check any audio-related variables and restore SV and force audio if someone changed it. This initial check removes common conflicts and gets you into actionable diagnostic steps immediately. You now align sample rates and drivers. Change Windows sound device properties to 48000HC and match Fivem's audio sample rate. Mismatches cause crackling. Next, update your audio driver from Device Manager or rollback if problems started after a driver update. Drivers are frequent culprits. Test audio sources one at a time. In-game radio, voice chat, and play an external sound file to isolate which subsystem fails. By isolating sources, you identify whether the issue is driver, setting, or resource conflict. You finish by applying fixes and validating results. Disable or update any voice or sound mods, and run Fivem as administrator to rule out permission problems. Launch clean with no extra client arguments and check audio again. If sound still fails, reset Fivem audio settings, recreate your Windows user audio profile, or create a clean Fivem install folder to remove corrupted configs. Key troubleshooting tip. If intermittent audio continues, test a different USB port or headset to rule out hardware or port power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.